Welcome to Opus by Epilogue Systems. In this video, we'll show you how to create content in Opus from start to finish. I need to create clear, accurate training fast. With Opus, I can capture processes across web and desktop apps and instantly generate simulations, walkthroughs, job aids, and more. Content is editable in one place and is automatically synced across every output. Let me show you how it works. One challenge with most tools is they only capture either web or desktop apps, not both. That's why I rely on Opus. It records seamlessly across systems, so I can capture the entire process without interruption. In this example, I'll be recording a web-based workflow. Select the yellow camera widget to open the Opus Recorder and choose a process to capture. The moment I start working, the recorder quietly tracks every action, clicks, context, and screenshots. When I'm done, I simply press the red stop icon. No switching windows, no extra tools. Opus captures each step so I can stay focused on the task, not the tech. Once my process is recorded, everything can be edited in one place. I head into the Opus editor, and here I can review the auto-generated content, make any changes necessary, and get it ready to publish. Before diving in, I'll preview what Opus created so I can see exactly where to focus. Need to blur sensitive data? No problem. Want to add a note, highlight a step, or insert audio? All available right in the editor. Everything stays in sync across simulations, walkthroughs, and guides. This means I can clarify critical steps, ensure accuracy, and deliver clear, relevant content to my organization faster. With Advisor, I can walk through the learner's experience in draft mode before publishing. It's like test driving the training. I can also duplicate a guide and translate it instantly into another language. This makes it easy to support global teams within seconds without recreating content from scratch. If I'm using Opus Books to organize content, any document updates are automatically reflected, no manual work needed. Whether it's one guide or part of a larger curriculum, everything stays consistent and up to date. That's the power of creating an Opus. In just minutes, you've captured a process, optimized it for your audience, and published professional, privacy-safe content ready to use in any format. Whether it's a quick guide, an interactive simulation, or translated content, Opus makes it simple to create once and deliver everywhere. It's not just easy, it's fast, accurate, and built to scale with your needs. Thanks for watching, and welcome to a better way to build training that works.